Clause 7.1 talks about resources. And let's see what the standard has to say specifically about Clause 7.1. It says that the organization shall determine and provide the resources needed for the establishment, implementation, maintenance, and continual improvement of the information security management system. Okay? As you can see, this is another broad and vague requirement which is effectively implemented through other clauses. Okay? Let's go into a bit of more detail. So, as I said, no actual requirement has to be done over here. And maybe I'd like to give you a bit of more information about this particular clause. So, when it comes to the implementation, maintenance, and continual improvement of the information security management system, what do we mean and what resources are we talking about? So, first of all, resources can relate to time, it can relate to people, it can relate to money or investments in technology or in your IT systems to enhance your information security management system. And we are considering these resources in the context of mitigating our risks, making sure that data relating to objectives is being collected, to the fact that we want to mitigate, to implement all actions that would have defined from our risk assessments or from NXA controls. So by making sure that we're actually implementing all these other topics, then we are considering the implementation and maintenance of the information security management system. Continual improvement is actually another requirement of this standard I want to show you right now. So there is a whole topic, whole chapter called continual improvement, and we're going to make sure that we're going to, of course, allocate the resources needed to be able to meet this particular requirement. So when it comes to clause 7.1, if you are deploying the resources as needed to meet all other clauses within the standard, nothing extra needs to be done to meet the requirements of this particular clause. I hope that helps, and of course, for you to meet this requirement, you'd need to have some type of wording within your information security manual stating what I just said. Naturally, the document that is produced from MISFROG automatically has this information pre-populated for you, and therefore you don't need to do anything about this particular clause. Thank you so much.